The aviation industry has always been a dynamic and ever-evolving sector, marked by intense competition and constant innovation. Over the years, various airlines have played pivotal roles in shaping the industry's landscape, and one airline that has been making waves recently is Delta Airlines. In recent times, Delta has emerged as a disruptive force that is significantly impacting not only its competitors, but the entire aviation industry. This article delves into the factors behind Delta's transformation into a game changer, examining its strategies, fleet, and its effects on other plane makers and models. Delta's journey from a traditional airline to a disruptive force has been marked by strategic transformations. One of its key strategies has been a relentless focus on customer experience. Delta invested heavily in upgrading its in-flight services, entertainment options, and seating comfort. This customer-centric approach has earned the airline a loyal following and has forced other airlines to reevaluate their own customer service standards. Furthermore, Delta has also expanded its global reach through strategic partnerships and alliances. By joining forces with airlines such as Air France-KLM and Virgin Atlantic, Delta has expanded its network, offering passengers access to more destinations worldwide. These alliances have allowed Delta to remain competitive in the face of rising global competition. Delta's disruptive impact on the aviation industry is also evident in its approach to fleet renewal. The airline has been proactive in modernizing its fleet with newer and more fuel-efficient aircraft. This not only reduces operating costs, but also aligns with the growing global focus on environmental sustainability. One of the standout moves made by Delta was its choice of the Airbus A220. This state-of-the-art aircraft, formerly known as the Bombardier C series, is known for its fuel efficiency and passenger comfort. By introducing the A220 into its fleet, Delta set a new standard for regional flying, which left other plane makers scrambling to compete. Embraer, a Brazilian aircraft manufacturer, felt the heat as the A220 posed a formidable challenge to its E-Jet series. While Delta has shown preference for Airbus with its A220s and A350s, it has also maintained a mixed fleet that includes Boeing aircraft. This strategic diversification keeps both major plane manufacturers on their toes, as Delta remains a significant customer for both Boeing and Airbus. The aviation industry has witnessed seismic shifts in recent years, largely due to the challenges faced by Boeing, one of the industry's titans. Boeing's troubles, primarily stemming from the grounding of the 737 MAX series and production delays on other models, have given Delta a significant advantage. As Boeing grappled with these issues, Delta seized the opportunity to diversify its fleet further. Delta placed an order for the Airbus A321neo, a direct competitor to Boeing's 737 MAX. This move not only bolstered Delta's fleet, but also signaled to Boeing that it could not take the airline's loyalty for granted. With Airbus offering a compelling alternative, Boeing was forced to accelerate its efforts to address the problems plaguing the 737 MAX. Furthermore, Delta's decision to introduce the Airbus A330-900neo into its long-haul fleet placed additional pressure on Boeing's 787 Dreamliner. Both the A330-900neo and the 787 Dreamliner target similar market segments, and Delta's preference for Airbus in this category sent a strong message to Boeing about the competitive landscape. While Boeing has been the most prominent casualty of Delta's disruptive strategies, other plane makers have also felt the heat. As mentioned earlier, Embraer faced stiff competition from the Airbus A220 in the regional jet market. Delta's endorsement of the A220 not only impacted Embraer's market share, but also influenced other airlines to consider the A220 as a viable option. In addition to Embraer, other plane makers such as Bombardier and Mitsubishi Aircraft Corporation have had to reassess their strategies in the face of Delta's disruptive fleet choices. Bombardier, the original manufacturer of the A220, sold the program to Airbus due to financial constraints. This move by Bombardier underscored the fierce competition it faced from Delta's favored aircraft. Mitsubishi Aircraft Corporation, a Japanese manufacturer, was developing the MRJ, Mitsubishi Regional Jet Series, to compete in the regional jet market. However, with the emergence of the A220, Mitsubishi had to rebrand its MRJ as the Space Jet and refocus its efforts. Delta's choices in the regional jet sector have undoubtedly shaped the landscape and impacted the strategies of these manufacturers. Delta's influence extends beyond its fleet choices and alliances. It also impacts the airports it serves. Regional airports have seen changes in their traffic patterns and infrastructure investments due to Delta's strategic decisions. By expanding its focus on secondary and tertiary airports, Delta has redirected traffic away from congested major hubs. This shift has prompted other airlines to reconsider their own route networks. Regional airports have had to adapt to accommodate increased passenger traffic, leading to investments in terminal expansions, parking facilities, and ground transportation options. While these changes may disrupt the status quo, they also present opportunities for regional airports to grow and diversify their revenue streams. Delta's disruptive influence is not limited to the aviation industry's business aspects. It also affects passengers directly. The airline's commitment to passenger experience has set new standards for the industry. From offering complimentary in-flight entertainment to providing free messaging services, Delta continually seeks ways to enhance the passenger journey. The introduction of premium economy cabins and the expansion of Delta One, the airline's business class product, have given passengers more options and greater comfort. These innovations have compelled other airlines to follow suit and invest in improving their premium offerings to remain competitive. Moreover, Delta's focus on sustainability is evident in its efforts to reduce carbon emissions. The airline has invested in the development of sustainable aviation fuels and has committed to becoming carbon neutral by 2030. This commitment not only aligns with global environmental goals, but also puts pressure on other airlines to follow suit and reduce their carbon footprint. The COVID-19 pandemic presented unprecedented challenges to the aviation industry, with airlines facing financial hardships and a dramatic decrease in passenger demand. While many airlines struggled to survive, Delta demonstrated resilience and adaptability during these trying times. Delta's commitment to passenger safety and hygiene helped restore confidence in air travel. The airline implemented rigorous cleaning protocols, provided masks to passengers, and limited capacity to ensure social distancing. These measures not only protected passengers but also showcased Delta's commitment to their well-being. Furthermore, Delta actively supported pandemic relief efforts by transporting medical supplies and facilitating the distribution of vaccines. This engagement demonstrated the airline's sense of corporate responsibility and reinforced its positive image in the eyes of the public. Delta Airlines has adopted a collaborative approach that sets it apart from many of its competitors. The airline has strategically formed alliances and partnerships that have expanded its reach and influence in the industry. One notable partnership is the joint venture with Air France-KLM and Virgin Atlantic. This alliance not only provides Delta with access to a broader network of destinations in Europe, but also strengthens its competitive position in the lucrative transatlantic market. Delta's partnership with American Express is another example of its innovative collaborations. The co-branded credit cards and loyalty program offered in conjunction with American Express have not only boosted Delta's revenue, but also enhanced the overall customer experience. These partnerships have given Delta a significant edge in attracting and retaining loyal customers. Additionally, Delta's investment in global alliances such as SkyTeam has further cemented its role as a disruptor. Through these alliances, Delta has gained access to even more destinations and has forged relationships with a wide range of international carriers. This interconnected network allows the airline to provide passengers with seamless travel options and enhances its global competitiveness. Delta Airlines has undeniably emerged as a disruptive force in the aviation industry, impacting competitors, plane makers, and passengers alike. Its strategic transformations, fleet choices, and focus on customer experience have reshaped the industry's landscape. While Delta's influence has put pressure on other airlines and manufacturers, it has also driven positive changes, from improved passenger experiences to a greater emphasis on sustainability. As the aviation industry continues to evolve, Delta's role as a game changer is likely to persist. Its ability to adapt to challenges, foster innovation, and prioritize customer satisfaction positions it as a formidable force that will continue to influence the future of aviation. In this ever-changing industry, Delta is undoubtedly a force to be reckoned with, and its impact will be felt for years to come. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure the notification bell is turned on so you don't miss a video.